Because I don't just teach you how to lead firewalks, I teach you how to be an embodied transformational leader, because at the end of the day, leading firewalks is for that outcome, to help people have a transformation. I waited 10 years after being trained to be a trainer of instructors because I wanted to have a depth of transformation myself and a proof of transformation in other people. You know, I've worked with the Army in conjunction with Sandhurst, led them over firewalks. I've worked with blue chip companies on empowerment events and firewalks, with charities and with sacred small groups as well. And I wanted to bring that depth of knowing and learning to you. It's not a crash course. It's not a quick fix, cheap, get in, get out, get done, because you deserve, and your participants deserve, the best. I trained with Peggy Dillon, the mother of firewalking, who brought firewalking to the westernised culture, and I continue to be mentored with her today. From being an instructor in 2008 to being an advanced instructor, a Sundawn Master, a 2-year spiritual leadership course, and a trainer of instructors. So, as you can imagine, I stand on the shoulder of a giant in this world, and it is my promise to hold the integrity of that transformation with every student, every course, every participant. So if this sounds a fit for you, I would love to know your vision for the transformation that you want to create in your groups, your audiences, your communities, your tribe. So let's have a conversation. Lots of love.